Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. So the last video was about the subfloor. This video has to do with the trailer as well. It's all about doors and windows. So let's get into it. So here is a glass sliding door we're gonna put in the trailer, but we have to actually take out the wall and remove a window and stuff. So I'm gonna go in the trailer now and show you guys what we gotta do in there. All right guys, so this is what we're working with here. We put a board up here. We need to brace these trusses up here in order to take out this wall. We just don't want anything to fall in. We got our beam and our boards cut for that. But before we just remove this wall, you can see there's all kinds of electricity running through here. So I don't know if we're gonna drill down and go underneath. I can't really see up here because the ceiling's in the way. So I'm gonna have my electrician buddy come by just to see if he has any ideas on what to do with that. We're getting rid of this window, and I think we're gonna get rid of this door as well, but we're gonna re-side the whole outside. But yeah, so this is where the door is gonna go, right here. If you look out here, you can see that this deck is not gonna be where this sliding glass door comes out. So I think I'm gonna actually extend this deck, so then you can just walk out here and you'll have a view back there. Nothing really to see as of yet, but we're gonna be putting gardens and stuff probably back there eventually. We did plant some trees back there too. I don't know if I mentioned that in a different video, but it's winter time right now, so those are kind of looking like sticks out there. All right, and the next thing, we just got all new windows. So we're gonna be putting these windows on the outside. I'm gonna show you guys that. And we did get a brand new door here, and I'll show you guys what that looks like on the outside. We didn't get a video of putting that in, but here is the door, so that's all in. And here is our next project. So we're actually putting this 3/8 plywood on here and removing all this metal that's on here. That's just to have a little more reinforcement, and we're gonna put siding in here so we can just nail into that. But here's where our new windows are gonna go in. But it's kind of just a process. You gotta tear off the old and then put the new, and he actually has this board here he nailed in, so he can just put his piece of plywood right there and he can do it by himself, because I've been running jobs. My father-in-law Rocky's been here working on some of this without me, so got to give him credit. But that's an old carpenter's trick right there. So he can just nail all that by himself. But yeah, so now we're slowly working, and now I'm deciding too whether I want to actually put on a new metal roof. But we are going to put all new siding. I think we're going to go with a white siding and a black roof, but I might just tar the roof as well. Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we are going to be doing the windows and the doors for this mobile home. So we got kind of a mess. We had to rip off all the old paneling. This is what it looks like, just ripping off the metal paneling. But we got all the windows and trash laying everywhere right now. But we got to rip off this metal paneling, and then we're putting this 3/8 inch plywood on the outside. And then we're gonna take this Tyvek right here, wrap the house with that, and then we're gonna put siding and we're gonna put these windows in. But I just wanted to show you guys our progress so far. So we started here, we got this door in, and then we're working our way down here, and we're gonna do this on the entire house. And then we're gonna put that Tyvek on, and then we're gonna put all of our windows in, and I'm gonna show you guys the windows we got. We had to pull this whole deck away from the house so we could actually get all the screws and stuff out. So inside here is what our new windows look like. So those should look really nice when we put those in. I'm probably gonna have some time lapses of us putting up this plywood and removing the metal, but it's pretty much straightforward. As you can see, we've gotten pretty far already. We've been working on this for about a day. I just went and picked up 10 more sheets. Worst time ever to do remodeling. The prices just seem to go up every single time I go in there. But I'm gonna hopefully be able to scrap some of this. I think it's aluminum, this siding, and maybe get like 300 bucks. Every time I take a trip to get 10 pieces, it's like $300. So yeah, guys, after we get it all with the Tyvek and put the windows in, we're actually gonna put white siding on it as well. And we looked at the roof. I'm gonna actually put on a black metal roof as well. So it just kind of ends up being every single thing that you can ever think of that needs to be replaced, we're gonna have to replace. So by the time we're done, it should have all new doors, all new windows, all new siding, all new roof, all new interior. So it's basically a brand new house. The only thing we really kept was the foundation and all the studs and the trusses up top, and even the insulation. Some of it I think I'll be able to save, but a lot of it I'm probably gonna have to get rid of. On the inside, we got rid of all the paneling and stuff like that as well. So the only thing hopefully I don't have to replace is like the whole air conditioning system and heating system, but we'll see once we get into it. So yeah, guys, that's what this video is about, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we got this front all completely done, so we're gonna actually put this Tyvek on now. All right, guys, we got that on. We just got to come through and cut the windows. He's over there cutting that window right now and stapling it to the inside. And then we're going to come through. We're tucking it under this metal roof. This old metal roof we're going to leave on there, but we're just tucking this Tyvek up under there, then nailing that. And then we're going to take some of this tape and just tape that to seal that. Because I don't know when we're going to get the siding out here, but at least it'll be somewhat weather protected until then. So yeah, next we are probably going to cut these holes and then put the windows in. All right, guys, we got all the front windows and doors in, so now we just got to do the same thing all the way around the house, and then we're probably next gonna get a metal roof and get the siding on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you next time.